Hey everyone, welcome back to English in Seconds. Today we are tackling one of the most common tenses in English, the past simple. We use it to talk about three key things that happened in the past. Completed actions, something that started and finished at a specific time. Let's see an example. I visited London last year. That action is completely finished. Here is another use of the past simple. Past habits. Things you did regularly in the past, but you don't do anymore. Now look at this example. She played tennis every weekend when she was a child. And the final use of the past simple. Past facts. States or situations that were true in the past. Here is an example. He lived in New York in 2010, a fact that was true in the past. Let's look at the structure. This is the most important part. The past simple structure is subject plus the past form of the verb, means second form of the verb. This is where we need to remember the difference between two types of verbs, regular and irregular. Regular verbs. For example, play becomes played, walk becomes walked, watch becomes watched. Irregular verbs. But a lot of common verbs are irregular. They don't follow the ED rule, so you have to memorize them. Go becomes went, eat becomes ate, write becomes wrote. Let's look at some examples. Affirmative sentence. They went to the party. Negative sentence. They did not go to the party. Notice when we make a negative sentence, we always use the base form of the verb. Interrogative sentence. Did they go to the party? Notice we use the base form of the verb. So whenever we make negative or interrogative sentences, we always use the base form of the verb. Activity time. Now practice your English with mini dialogue conversation. Dialogue number 1. Yesterday. What did you do yesterday? I watched a movie. Dialogue number 2. Travel. Did you go to London last year? Yes, I went there in July. At school, did she study for the test? No, she did not. Dialogue number 4. Sports. Who won the football match? Our team won. Dialogue number 5. Weekend. Where did you go on Saturday? I went to the park with my friends. At work. Did he finish the report? Yes, he finished it yesterday. Dialogue number 7. Family. When did your brother call you? He called me last night. Dialogue number 8. Shopping. Did they buy a new shoes? No, they did not. They bought a jackets. Dialogue number 9. Fun. Did you enjoy the party? Yes, I love it. Past habits. Did you play video games when you were a kid? Yes, I played every weekend. Dialogue number 11. Birthday. When did you celebrate your birthday? I celebrated it last week. Dialogue number 12. Music. Did she listen to the new song? Yes, she listened to it yesterday. Dialogue number 13. Food. What did you eat for dinner? I ate pasta and salad. Dialogue number 14. Movies. Did they watch the film last night? No, they didn't. They watched it on Friday. Childhood. Where did you live when you were a child? I lived in a small village. Dialogue number 16. Holidays. Did you travel in December? Yes, I traveled to Turkey. Dialogue number 17. Weather. Was it cold yesterday? Yes, it was very cold. Friends. Who did you meet last weekend? I met my old school friend. Dialogue number 19. Mistake. Did he make a mistake in the exam? Yes, he made 2 mistakes. Dialogue number 20. Books. Did you read that book last month? Yes, I read it and enjoy it. Simple, right? Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. See you next time.